Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at these keto crackers I found at Aldi just recently. Savoritz. Dad joke name. That's great. So there's 4 servings per container. So that's crazy because I'm sure I can eat this whole thing, no problem. 170 calories per serving. So doing the math, that's like 600 or 700 calories per. Carbs are 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, so that's 4 grams of carbs per serving. So times 4, that's 16 grams for this whole bag. So not the greatest, but certainly not like eating Cheez-Its. So let's give these things a try. Well, the bag actually opens nicely. That's kind of cool. And means that there's a chance that I might actually seal this again. So let's see here. They're significantly thicker than most crackers. Not bad. I don't know if you can see, it's light on one side and dark on the other. So it's definitely, this is not a hyper consistent type of manufacturing process. These are really good. They're not super overbearing, and they do not taste like a Cheez-It. It's like a little bit grainier. I don't mean that in a bad way. I just mean it's not like a Cheez-It's got that super kind of crispy. These are more like a, man, I don't even know what to describe them like. They have a denser mouthfeel. I really like these a lot. Coming up on it's 9 pieces per, so I think I'm about halfway through my serving. All joking aside, these are fantastic. I might go so high as to give it a 10 out of 10. Ingredients: almond flour, cheddar cheese, tapioca starch, dried egg whites, sea salt, garlic powder. That's it. So, man, Aldi's killing it. That's very good. Yeah. Highly recommended. If you like cheese, like cheese cracker kind of stuff, this is the real deal. I like these much better than the kind of the cheese crisp thing that kind of been a thing where it's literally just cheese. These definitely hit the spot. Very good. And yes, I want to eat the whole bag, but I'm gonna stop. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.